Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix suspended Facebook Marketplace account. Let's get started. First, let's understand what this means. If Marketplace is suspended, it means Facebook temporarily blocked your access. This usually happens because of breaking Marketplace rules, posting restricted items, too many reports, or using a new or incomplete account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap support inbox. Here Facebook may explain why Marketplace was suspended. Read the message carefully. If you see a button that says request review or appeal, tap on it, follow the instruction and submit the appeal. When appealing, be honest and calm. If you made a mistake, admit it and say you understand the rules now. Remove any items that might break the rules like animals, weapons, fake products, or adult items. These items often cause suspension. Make sure your Facebook profile looks real and complete. Add a profile photo, real name, and correct birthday. Facebook trusts complete accounts, and that's it. That's how to fix a suspended Facebook Marketplace account on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.